Hey, Shane, how you doing?
I heard.
Okay, I got a new customer. And, okay, usually people say I'm very good, do better than most people, blah, 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 whatever the case is, okay? Doesn't really matter. Well, here's what I call other people make me look better than what I am. Or they just make me look better, or I'm already better. However you want to. It's a good joke, though. They make me look better when I am. Okay, I was called out to do, 2 to 3 other companies, or something like that, if I got it right, said they just replaced a compressor. Just replaced the compressor in 20-30 days ago. Okay, so the compressor is in place and the dryer, the line dryer is not. Come on. All right, so they want to bid on this, and then that's where they call me out, because they got 2 or 3 other bids to replace this fine, lovely unit. I mean, come on, the one that's freaking old is still working, kicking butt. Yeah, and this one is a 2015 versus the 2001. Yeah, you see which way this is going, huh? Not the camera, but I'm just saying. Me joking. The heat's been getting to me. Okay, so I'm taking a look at it. They said the TXV valve's bad. A couple other things wrong with it. But they just changed the compressor. Okay, keyword. So I got a feel for the customer. They really can't afford to sell another one. I can't be like the other guy that just left and gave him a quote for a new unit, blah, blah, blah. That's what you need, trust me. That's not what you need. 1, you should have changed the dryer. 2, everybody does this. You know, remove the TXV valve bulb, it works. You know, that's the cheapest. They want to charge almost $1,900 to replace the TXV valve. Now, if it was my job, I'd change the compressor. TXV valve would have went out, and 20-30 days later, I would have not charged for it. Because it just don't go out just because of coincidence. You did something wrong, or it was wrong in the first place. But you know what that means, huh? TXV valve. Anybody can guess why they think it's bad? The bulb goes here in the suction, so it's trying to freeze. What will make it freeze? That would. A plug evaporator coil. You can't even get air through that. Yeah, you like that? Huh? So let me get this right. You want a price on a whole new system? You got a whole new system. I love my hands. I'm like acting like Nancy Pelosi. Whoa! Yeah. Okay. I actually kind of like that. Anyway, a whole new system is what you need. You know, 10,000, 20,000. Let's do this. Or technically, if you just spend 140 bucks to clean your coil, it'd be all right. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Back to it. You know, there's, you know, it is what it is. So, yeah, in this line of work, I see some weird stuff, man. I mean, true, we make so much more money if I change this sucker out. Oh my goodness, yes. But man, this is a ripoff. But I see it more than you think. I'm just saying. Anyway, you know, sometimes you never can tell if people have the money or don't have the money, but to be fair and honest, I mean, it does help out a lot of people. I just can't believe that. Number 1 sign, need a new TXV valve. Well, do you know how to check a TXV valve? Moving the bulb off of it tells me one thing. You don't know how to check a TXV valve, and it's doing its job. It's trying to freeze. That's why it's closing down. And I'm gonna show you one more time. And I had a flashlight through it a minute ago. You can't even see through it. That coil's so thin. Look at that. You can't even see the coils. Bad people. Hey, that's almost my new phrase. You go, bad people. Like that? I like it. Anyhow, just wanted to share. Nothing special. So I'm doing the cleaning, and they saved $9,958. No, that's good savings. Yeah.